Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to reset two-factor authentication in BlueVine. Now, if you change your phone or you lost access to your number or you just simply need to update your two-factor authentication, BlueVine allows you to reset it securely. All you got to do is follow these steps. Step number 1, start by logging into your BlueVine account using your email and password. Now, when prompted for your two-factor code, just click having trouble or can't access your code. Now, BlueVine will guide you through an identity verification process. This may include answering security questions or uploading identification documents. Now, once verified, you're going to see an option to reset your two-factor authentication. So go ahead and choose your preferred new method, such as SMS code or Authenticator app, or you could even use a phone call. Now, just confirm your selection by entering the code that's sent to your new device or app, or the code you received upon the phone call. And once that's done, you can log out and then log back in to test the updated two-factor authentication method. This process ensures that your account remains both secure and accessible, even if you lose access to your old device. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.